Y'all, I am back at Hermes again. I'm about to get this Hermes sweater, which is so cute. I can't get enough of Hermes. I found me a good essay, so let's just pray. Let's just pray everything works out. But I'm definitely getting this sweater. I kind of want more colors now that I tried it on. It's perfect. All right, y'all, we're back in the house. You see, I got my little two things from Hermes, and I want to do an unboxing. Not right now because I'm hungry, so let's go get some food. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to double tap that bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Guys, we're back with another video today. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing from Hermes. I love Hermes. I love their ready-to-wear. I've been just being a die-hard Hermes girl lately. Like, you guys, I've been to Hermes maybe 3 times. I kind of need to relax, but my goal is to get a Birkin. So I guess I'm doing the Birkin game, but I've spent a lot of money. So I spent so much money, guys. I'm already at my one-to-one, but the prices increased for 2025. So yeah, you do the math on that. Guys, so today I wanted to unbox some stuff I got from Hermes, which is some ready to wear. I already unboxed a few of them. Just opened the box, so I had to make sure I had everything. I'm going to show you guys recently what I picked up from Hermes. And one of the items is not currently here. I have to wait to pick that up. I did get a watch, which is a her watch. I'll try to pop a picture up so you guys can know, so you can see how much I've spent so far. But I wanted to show you a few other pieces that I recently got from Hermes, ready to wear. It's so good. It's so bomb. The quality is A1. And yeah, let's go ahead and hop into the video. Guys, so I had to put my mic on my shirt just so you guys can hear me very well. So let's go ahead and hop into the first item I'm going to be showing you today, which I wasn't expecting to get because I think my sales associate kind of know my style now. I feel like when I go in there, I kind of dress similar. Like I'm a very minimal, well put together, super casual. So I think she knew my style a little bit because I'm always wearing tights and leggings. If you go to my YouTube shorts, you can see my sense of style. So she actually recommended this first item, which is these Hermes tights. The quality, guys, quality is A1. I can give you guys a price if they're up, but I got a size 38. I think these tights was 23, but I love them so much. I love that the H is right here. It's just bomb. The quality is good. And then it's a different design as you look at it, but these definitely look really, really good on the body. I love how the H's look, and honestly, you can wear this pretty much every day. I honestly feel like I could just throw this on with this turtleneck I have on and with some boots and just go on my day-to-day. It's super casual and a nice trench. It will look so bomb and so good. So I'm glad my essay showed me these. She was like, I didn't show you these. I was like, no, you did it. But I'm glad she did. So now I purchased them and now I have them in my wardrobe forever. And it's something I already usually wear. I'm always wearing tights. So this is typical for me. All right, guys. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you is this amazing Hermes sweater. Again, it has the H designs, cashmere sweater, and I think I got a size 38 in this, but I haven't wore it yet. The quality is amazing. It feels so good. Again, a lot of these things I'm going to be showing you are black because that's literally my go-to. Black is something that I would usually wear all the time. I'm obsessed with black, but I love this. I could pair it with these tights. So these tights comes with a crop top, which is not my style because I don't wear crop tops. And I could wear these together. I probably won't, honestly, because it would be too, if you guys can see, I don't know if this is good lighting for you guys, but if you guys can see, it's too matchy. And the material is two different type of materials. So I was just like, I don't know, but I would definitely wear these like individually for sure. All right, guys, and the next thing I'm going to be showing you is these Hermes boots. I do have the other boot over here on the side. These boots, chef's kiss. Like, I love them so much. I think I got a size 9.5. But if I was you, I would honestly wear an 8.5. And I had to size up to a size 39.5. So a 9.5. I honestly feel like I need these in a size 10 because they're like kind of tight, but I wish I would have went a size up. But these are the boots. Let me grab the other boot for you. But these are the boots, guys. I absolutely love this boot. And it's so minimalistic. You can't tell. You can't even know. You don't know it's Hermes unless you know. Like if you know the brand and you know Hermes, you're gonna be like, okay, her boots is from Hermes. But these look like some regular boots. The quality is A1. I had to have a Birkin or a Kelly to wear with these boots. I could honestly pair this with like my Chanel bag, like my plain black Chanel bag or my white Chanel bag, and nobody knows it's Hermes. Like these boots, I have to say, was one of the best investments. And one thing about me, I'm always buying stuff I always wear. Like I'm not gonna just buy stuff because of the brand. I'm just gonna buy it because I actually like it, and that's why I'm always shopping ready to wear because I love clothes. Next thing I'm going to be showing you is from the equestrian tab on Hermes.com. I looked this up because I seen a YouTube video and she was like, maybe sometimes you can buy from the equestrian tab for your horse or like just the outfit. She was like, that's a good way to get in. So I was like, okay. And then I was looking at it, I was like, oh, this is pretty much my style because I'm like, I'm always wearing black. So I'm like, maybe I should just definitely buy from here. And it's a lot cheaper than the actual ready to wear. So I was like, yeah, I gotta get in on this. And luckily they had it in store at Hermes. So I was so excited about that. Like I didn't have to wait for it to get transferred. I actually like was like, okay, she was like, I have it in stock. Just come here and try it on. So that's basically what I did. So the first item I am going to be showing you is these tights. So I absolutely love these. You can tell, you guys, they're so stretchable. And it's so funny because I have like this whole set and I actually have the riding boots. Like I have a whole look that can go with this. So yeah, so these are the tights. And mind you, I was so upset because I asked her for this in December. You guys, it's January. The price increase was in January. And I could have got these for maybe $60 or $70 cheaper. And I'm just like, girl. I'm like, not Hermes went up on their prices, but it's fine. But I like these. The quality is so good. You can wear these with loafers. You can wear these with, again, the boots I just showed you. But they have this on the sides. It says Hermes, if you guys can see. It's buttons and it comes, and this is also a zipper. So undo. It's kind of tight, guys. But again, this outfit is for like basically horseback riding. So I get it. And then, yeah, it's easy. They're stretchable and it has the orange string in the front that you can tie. And the tag says Hermes on the back. But it's simple, it's chic, and it's straight to the point. I got it in a size medium, guys. So yeah, that's the size I got it in. It's called the Leggings Hermes Fit Femme. So yeah, if I was you, I would definitely look in that tab because they have they have like yoga, they have swim. Hermes have a variety of different things. Okay, so this is the top, and you can see it's a zip up, zip down. And one thing I love about this top is breathable. It's like not as thick. And also, guys, look at this on the side. It has a little pocket with a button. And it's like, I just think it's a nice casual t-shirt that you can just try on or keep on or just travel with. Something like, if you know it's Hermes, it's Hermes. Like, you just, you know if you know. Like, not everybody has to know you wearing like Hermes head to toe. So I absolutely love this top. And again, the tag, I love how the tag says Hermes. And I think it's so super chic, super cool, super casual. And I absolutely love it. So, one thing about Hermes, I love the quality. I love the material. I love the bags. It's not because of the name. When you actually look at the bags, and like if you're like eye to eye with it, you look at the quality and you're like, I understand why I'm paying so much for this, because honestly, guys, it's honestly really worth it. And I'm just like, Hermes quality is A1, and I haven't seen a brand that can do that yet. So I love Hermes. I am playing the game. I guess I am. But it's okay. It's cool because I actually like the stuff I'm buying. I'm not just buying stuff just because, like, to be honest, I'm a minimalist. As you can see from my background, y'all probably like, where's your furniture, girl? But to be honest, I'm just like, I'm not about to buy kitchen and like the cups and the mugs. They're so pretty. They're so cute. They're so aesthetically pleasing. But honestly, I'm more of a ready to wear girl. Like the blankets and the pillows, it's just not my style for in my apartment anyway. So I would just rather stick with the ready to wear. I did want to show you guys one thing though. It's not Hermes, but this is something I needed to add to my closet that I just think every girl probably needs in their closet. All right, guys, so it's Tom Ford. I know this is a little different from Hermes, but guys, work with me, work with me. Imagine. You see these gold Tom Ford heels. I got this in a size 40. You see the lock and key. Imagine these Tom Ford heels with your Pekinton or your Birkin. And I like gold hardware, so that's what's on my wish list is a gold hardware. Any leather, 25 or 30 is on my wish list. I'm picky on color, but I feel like my essay know my style, so I hope she wouldn't give me something I wouldn't like, because I would definitely say no. For sure. Like, I'm not spending that much on something I don't really like. But just imagine these heels with your Birkin, the lock on your Birkin with these heels with the lock. Oh my God. Oh, I love fashion. But that just gets me so excited. I'm just like, yes, Tom Ford comes through with the lock on the shoe. But yeah, I'm just a Hermes lover. I've been loving Hermes ever since I brought my bag in Tokyo, my Kelly 32 box leather. I've just been falling in love every day with the brand. So I'm going to keep purchasing Hermes. I love the quality. I love the outfits. I love the ready to wear. I love the fashion. And I'm just super excited to show you guys along the way of what I end up purchasing from Hermes. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much all I have brought from the ready to wear section. There is a couple of more things I want to buy from the ready to wear section. But I'm just like, let me just chill out a little bit. I just booked me a solo trip coming up. So I was just like, let me just spend more money on my solo trip versus Hermes, because I'm just like, okay, I spent the one-to-one, but where's the Perkin offer? Like, but not, I don't want to talk too soon, because I don't know, it may be like a month from now, or maybe it'd be around the corner. Who knows? But I'm super excited. Definitely going to show you guys. I love YouTube. I love doing content like this. And if you enjoy it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It will be more fashion content in the near future. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you loves in my next video. Bye, guys.